those hawks.
What's up guys, we'll drive this Jaguar. No, sorry, it's not my car. This is my car, and this is Suzuki Vitara 1.4 liter 140 horsepower booster jet engine with Allgrip system with Geo Plus packaging. It's dirty Suzuki, but who cares? We'll drive it inside in this POV city driving. So guys, let's go. I forgot to show you the key. Put the key in the old-fashioned way, no start buttons, manual transmission. Start it up. Let's go guys, let's go. First thing, always turn this auto stop start system modern shits, which destroys your engine, and wear it much quicker. In the city, the average consumption is around 9.5 to 11, depending if you use air conditioner. It's around 11 during the summer. That's a city with small streets, and often there is traffic lights. The fuel tank is not very big. Actually, it's around 45 liters. You have to refuel it often. We have different modes here: auto, snow, sport, and snow plus lock. You can see snow and now lock for muddy terrains, and auto for the city, and sport. Sport engages the Allgrip system so that you have better cornering, you have better throttle response, but it also burns more fuel. Let's see how it's with the cornering. Well, it's pretty stiff, but on the hard turns with high speed you still feel that you're driving an SUV. It's not exactly like a car, because it leans more in the corners than it should. But if they had stiffer it more, it would be very uncomfortable, as at the moment it is not so softly riding. But they've tried to reach some balance between hard ride and stiffness on the corners, of course. As to the power range, in sport mode there is no more power actually, just more throttle response. And actually I don't feel I need it, because auto mode is pretty good. Even off-roading, the car just knows what to do. And these modes are more like, well, maybe except lock, and are more like marketing things. Of course, if you drive sport on a curvy road, sport mode is great. It's usable there. Well, you feel that it's a little engine because of course in the lower RPM you're waiting for the turbo to kick in, so there is a little delay between your foot touches the throttle and actually the reaction and the pull from the engine. But see, now I am giving throttle now, so that is how actually it reacts. Throttle, yeah. A lot of traffic now at these hours. It pulls good. Once the turbo kicks in, it pulls good all the range to 5000 RPM, where actually it slows down. I saw some remapped ones and they're really better in range, starting earlier and pushing all the way to 5.5 or even 6k RPM, so that you have a wider range, not only more torque but wider range and horsepower. But you know, the warranty is void, so I have not remapped it until now. The gearbox was very stiff at the beginning, but now it feels fine. 'Sometimes you have to take some aggression in order to get out of a situation. I love very much this corner. Be careful for pedestrians, and this is it. Look at it. Beautiful, beautiful turn. .3,000 RPM is a perfect start for acceleration, because at 4 it starts really giving everything. Can turn the traction control also by holding this button on the left, and all the lights are on now, saying, oh, nothing is working, be careful, you can crash. It's a 4x4, guys. Why do I need a traction control on those such dry roads? Now guys, let me show you second gear acceleration. This is it, 2005, and full throttle. Yeah, it's pretty elastic, but can be improved. Will be really brilliant engine if it's remapped. The full potential of this engine will be available. cruise control with the distance to the front car. We choose speed. But we should be driving with faster speed. Oh, cannot be said because I have turned the traction on control and I cannot set it while traction is turned off. I love manual shifting, guys. The automatic transmission, they say, is not great in Suzuki Vitaras. I don't know how it's a new hybrid, but I like manual. It's so much fun, especially in a curvy road, extra urban, overtaking. You have all the power from the engine when you want it, and when you put the exact RPM, you're just a rocket. Even though it hasn't got a lot of horsepower, it still pulls nice, and you have enough power to go with 140 and 150 even. And overtaking with such speeds, not problem. Also in the mountain it's much more fun, and you can, on the downhills, you can put your gears and you feel the engine stopping the car a lot more than the automatic will do. Also, some people say that automatic on the autobahn with high speeds is not adequate, very adequate on these Suzukis. I haven't tested, but they say that when you put the pedal on 140, it starts shifting back to fifth gear or fourth gear, I don't know, which is annoying. The good thing about this car, that's very wide actually, so that this 1.4 liter is pretty good for that size. And now we'll have a drag race with this Q. I am sure he will not do anything to drag me, but I'll try to provoke him. So I'll put the sport mode on and full throttle. Okay, he didn't engage a low in that draggy race, but you saw some acceleration. It's very nice to do like this, downshifting like this, with matching the RPMs. I love this. That's why I love manuals, and especially petrol manuals, because you can easily do like this, ref matching. Well, it's a little bit bumpy on the some bad surface and roads, but that's the price to pay for a good cornering. Well balanced, as you see, no understeer. Okay guys, I am very thankful that you watched this video till the end. Subscribe to our channel if you like cars, if you like what we do in the way we do it. Put the notification on, that's the bell, so that you have information when our new video is available to watch. Thanks guys again, stay healthy, and remember, ride or die, right? Bye guys.